Imagine eating full plates of delicious food and still losing weight without counting a single calorie. These 15 magic foods are so light, they practically burn themselves off. In today's video, we're breaking down 15 amazing foods that have almost 0 calories but can still keep you satisfied for hours. You'll learn how these simple everyday foods can help you burn fat, feel full, and eat more, all while consuming less. Stay tuned, because once you see what's on this list, you'll never look at healthy eating the same way again. Let's get started. Number 1. Shirataki noodles. Imagine eating a big bowl of noodles that barely counts as food in your calorie log. That's exactly what happens with shirataki noodles. These translucent noodles are made from the konjac root, and they're almost entirely water and fiber. One serving has around 10 calories. That's less than a cucumber slice. They contain a unique fiber called glucomannan, which expands in your stomach and slows digestion. This makes you feel full for hours, helps control your appetite, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Your body works harder to digest them than the calories they contain. And here's the fun part. They taste like whatever you cook them with. Add soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, or vegetables, and they'll soak up all that flavor while keeping your meal light and filling. Shirataki noodles are the perfect example that you can eat comfort food and still lose weight. Number 2. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are the ultimate meaty food that's not meat. They're earthy, savory, and satisfying, yet incredibly low in calories. A whole cup of raw mushrooms contains only 15 calories, but feels like so much more when you eat them. Their texture gives your brain the same satisfaction as eating something hearty, making them the ideal substitute for high-calorie ingredients like meat or pasta. They're loaded with B vitamins, antioxidants, and selenium, which support metabolism and protect your cells from oxidative stress. Some varieties, like shiitake and maitake, can even help regulate blood sugar and cholesterol. They're also packed with natural umami, that deep, savory flavor that makes everything taste richer. Grill them, roast them, or stir-fry them. Mushrooms make healthy eating feel indulgent without any guilt. Number 3. Cucumber. Cucumbers are about 96% water, which means you can munch on them all day and barely consume any calories. One cup has around 15 calories, yet it's refreshing, hydrating, and full of nutrients that help your body function smoothly. The high water and fiber content fills your stomach, sending "I'm full" signals to your brain faster than heavier snacks ever could. They're perfect before meals because they take up space without adding calories. Cucumbers are also rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and beta-carotene, which fight inflammation and support healthy skin. Slice them into salads, dip them in hummus, or infuse your water with cucumber slices for a spa-like detox drink. They're crisp, cooling, and perfect for anyone looking to stay full and fresh without feeling bloated. Number 4. Watermelon. Watermelon might just be nature's guilt-free candy. It's sweet, juicy, and unbelievably low in calories, just 46 per cup. That's thanks to the fact that it's 92% water, making it both a snack and a hydration source. Because it's high in water and fiber, it fills you up quickly and helps you avoid overeating. It's also rich in L-citrulline, an amino acid that supports blood flow and muscle recovery, perfect for post-workout snacks. Another amazing thing about watermelon is that it can slightly increase calorie burn because your body uses energy to warm it to body temperature. That means chilled watermelon actually takes a few extra calories to digest. So, eating it can literally help you burn calories while enjoying something sweet. Number 5. Zucchini. Zucchini is one of the most versatile vegetables you can find. It's mild in flavor, easy to cook, and shockingly low in calories, about 20 per cup. Because it's packed with fiber and water, It helps you stay full while keeping your calorie intake low. Zucchini contains pectin, a soluble fiber that helps control blood sugar levels and supports healthy digestion. That means fewer sugar crashes, fewer cravings, and more steady energy throughout the day. And here's the fun twist. Zucchini can replace pasta, fries, or even pizza crust. Turn it into zoodles for a light dinner, bake it into chips, or toss it into soups and stews. Every bite feels comforting, yet it's practically calorie-free. Number 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower has quietly become one of the biggest heroes in the healthy eating world. With only 25 calories per cup, it's one of the most filling and flexible foods you can eat. It's high in fiber, water, and antioxidants, and it's so mild in taste that it can blend into almost anything. It's no wonder people use cauliflower as a substitute for rice, mashed potatoes, or even pizza crust. By swapping just one serving of rice with cauliflower rice, you can save over 200 calories without losing the comforting feeling of a warm meal. That's a serious win for anyone trying to lose weight. Cauliflower also contains a special compound called sulforaphane, which helps your body fight inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. It supports digestion, detoxification, and even helps balance blood sugar levels. Lightly roast it, steam it, or blend it into soups. No matter how you prepare it, cauliflower gives you volume, flavor, and nutrients for practically 0 calories. Number 7. Cabbage. Cabbage has been part of traditional fat-burning soup diets for decades, and for good reason. 1 cup of shredded cabbage contains just 22 calories, yet it's packed with vitamins C and K, along with lots of fiber. Because it's so rich in water and fiber, cabbage helps fill up your stomach and supports healthy digestion. It also contains glucosinolates, natural compounds that help your liver process toxins more efficiently. That means your body can burn fat and eliminate waste more effectively. Cabbage also comes in different types: green, red, Savoy, and each one adds a different flavor and texture. You can use it raw in salads, sauté it with garlic, or simmer it in a warm soup. It's one of the most satisfying low-calorie foods that still feels hearty and wholesome. Number 8. Green beans. Green beans bring that perfect crunch and color to your plate without the calories. A full cup of steamed green beans has just 31 calories, but it's full of fiber, vitamin C, and folate. What makes green beans special is their texture. They're firm, satisfying, and chewy, the kind of feeling you normally get from higher calorie foods. That's why they make such an amazing side dish or midday snack. They're also a great source of silicon, a mineral that helps strengthen bones, hair, and nails. Steam them lightly to keep their nutrients intact, drizzle a bit of olive oil and lemon juice, and you've got a meal that's light yet filling. Simple, satisfying, and nearly calorie-free. That's the power of green beans. Number 9. Asparagus. Asparagus is one of the cleanest and most detox-friendly vegetables you can eat. A single cup has around 27 calories, yet it's loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and folate. It's also known as a natural diuretic, helping your body flush out excess salt and water. That's why asparagus makes you feel lighter and more energized after eating it. It contains an amino acid called asparagine, which supports your metabolism and helps your body break down fat more efficiently. Asparagus is also rich in vitamins A, C, and K, which boost your immune system and support glowing skin. Grill it, roast it, or steam it. It pairs perfectly with lean proteins like eggs, chicken, or fish. It's elegant, light, and perfect for anyone focused on fat loss and feeling fresh. Number 10. Broccoli. Broccoli is a true nutritional powerhouse with only 30 calories per cup. It's low in energy but high in nutrients, the perfect combination for anyone trying to eat more and weigh less. It's packed with fiber, vitamin C and K, and powerful compounds like sulforaphane that support liver detox and reduce inflammation. That means your body stays in fat-burning mode longer and your digestion runs smoothly. The high fiber and water content in broccoli make it one of the most filling low-calorie foods. It expands in your stomach, sends fullness signals to your brain, and helps control appetite naturally. Steam it, roast it, or toss it into stir-fries. It's nearly impossible to overeat broccoli, and your body will love you for it. Number 11. Kale. Kale isn't just a trendy superfood. It's one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. One cup has only 33 calories, but it's overflowing with vitamins A, C, and K, plus calcium, fiber, and antioxidants. It's the kind of food that nourishes your body deeply while keeping your calorie intake near zero. The fiber in kale slows digestion and keeps you full, while its antioxidants help fight inflammation and support heart health. You can eat it raw in salads, sauté it with garlic, or bake it into crunchy kale chips. Each method gives you a satisfying, nutrient-rich snack or meal that feels indulgent but isn't. When it comes to low-calorie superfoods, kale sits right at the top. Number 12. Spinach. Spinach is a light, leafy vegetable that delivers serious nutrition for minimal calories. A whole cup of raw spinach has only 7 calories, yet it's rich in iron, magnesium, and vitamin C. It also contains natural compounds called thylakoids, which help suppress appetite and slow down fat digestion. That means you stay full longer and avoid snacking between meals. Spinach is perfect in almost anything: smoothies, soups, omelets, or even as a base for salads. It enhances flavor and nutrition without changing the calorie count much at all. If you're building a low-calorie diet, spinach should be one of your go-to ingredients. Number 13. Pickles. Yes, pickles count as a nearly zero-calorie food. A single large dill pickle has only 10 to 15 calories, yet it satisfies cravings for something salty, crunchy, and flavorful. Because they're made with vinegar and water, they help stabilize blood sugar and even improve digestion. The acetic acid in vinegar can support fat metabolism and help control appetite. Pickles are the ultimate snack hack for people who struggle with junk food cravings. They're crunchy, tangy, and satisfying, and they help you resist those late-night chips or fries. Just go easy on the sodium and you've got a perfect low-calorie snack you can enjoy guilt-free. Number 14. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are technically a fruit and one of the most hydrating and nutrient-packed ones you can eat. A medium tomato has only 20 calories, yet it's full of vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. They're rich in lycopene, a powerful compound that helps protect your heart, skin, and cells from damage. And since tomatoes are high in water and fiber, they help keep you full and hydrated. Slice them onto salads, cook them into sauces, or roast them for a natural sweetness. They make every meal lighter and healthier. Tomatoes are a perfect example of how you can eat more, not less, and still lose weight. Number 15. Lettuce. Lettuce might seem boring, but it's one of the best base foods for anyone eating in a calorie deficit. Depending on the variety, one cup has between 5 and 15 calories, basically nothing. It adds volume and crunch to your meals, tricking your brain into feeling full even when your total calorie intake stays low. This is called volume eating, and it's one of the smartest ways to lose weight without feeling deprived. Lettuce also provides hydration, small amounts of potassium, and a refreshing texture that complements heavier foods. It's not flashy, but it's dependable. And when paired with other foods on this list, it helps you build satisfying, low-calorie meals that truly fill you up. Subscribe now for more daily healthy tips.